It's time for this week's experience segment. Let's head out to 30A to Shunk Gulley to take in some delicious food and a ridiculous view. This segment is brought to you by ResortQuest by Wyndham Vacation Rentals.
Hey y'all, how you doing? My name is Tyler McMahan, Executive Chef of Shunk Gulley Oyster Bar down here in 30A and 393. Here at Shunk Gulley, we specialize in oysters and fresh seafood. We source all of our seafood and shrimp and oysters locally here as possible as we can. Everything pretty much goes from Gulf to table. Right here in-house, we make everything from scratch, from our dressings to our sauces to our soups. And we take a lot of pride in making sure we give you the best ingredients possible. Probably our biggest favorite right now, our big hit, is going to be our smoked tuna dip. That's a yellowfin tuna that we hickory smoke for about 12 hours on a very low heat. Combination of ingredients served up with our sweetie drop peppers from Peru, our house-made flatbread, and some of our very famous jammin' jalapeno jam from our buddy JC's Gourmet. Duck fat fries right now. Duck fat fries and the tuna dip every day from 3 to 6 on our happy hour for $5. Duck fat fries are hand-cut Kingston fried potatoes. We deep fry them in duck fat and Crisco. We toss them in truffle oil, parsley, Parmesan, and minced garlic. And we serve it with our spicy ketchup and house-made garlic aioli. Actually, so we do live music every single day, 363 days a year. Music generally starts about 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon and runs till about 10 o'clock in the evening. It's an open door restaurant, so you got the upstairs Gulf view overlooking the Gulf. You can eat, dine, lunch and dinner all day, every day. We even have our downstairs seating with our garage doors that roll up, so you have that great comfort of still being in and outside. So come down to Shunk Gulley Oyster Bar, look us up on Instagram, Facebook, and come give us a shout. We'd love to have you. Thank you.